Anybody know what this is?
Some milkweed?
Those big dandelion things.
I like where you're going. You guys are not wrong. So this is called sow thistle. And I already know what this looks like, so why don't you guys pass it around? Sow thistle is in the same family as dandelion, which is the sunflower family, and it's essentially the root of lettuce. So thousands of years ago, when lettuce didn't exist, people just ate dandelions and sow thistle. If you've ever chewed on dandelion, you know that it's very bitter. My guess is how we got lettuce from dandelions is people got really sick of that bitter taste, and so they started looking for varieties of dandelion that were less bitter. And once they found that variety, they started waiting for that variety to go to seed, growing those seeds, and then again choosing selectively the least bitter variety and growing those seeds. And over time, we have romaine lettuce, which almost looks nothing like dandelion, but it's in the same family. So both sow thistle and dandelion are extremely good for our inner organs. The bitterness, kind of the white milky sap, which some people say is not good to eat, that's pure BS. That bitterness is actually really good for cleansing our gallbladder, our pancreas, our kidneys, and it also aids digestion. We need bitters to help produce saliva and bile in our stomach, and it helps digest food. Unfortunately, now that we eat donuts and cheesecake and all that stuff, bitter just doesn't compete, so we throw the dandelions away, or we complain that they're weeds, when in fact we should be eating more of this and throwing the donut away. The easiest way to eat dandelions is to blend them in a green smoothie, because when you blend sweet with bitter, the sweetness counteracts the bitter. And then the other thing that's good to do with them is put them in a pesto. So you make pesto with pine nuts, a little Parmesan, basil. Just cut out the basil and throw the dandelions in there, and then the the salty and bitter, it tastes delicious. All right, let's keep going. There you go.
Thank you.